In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DocuSign template errors. If your template won't send or throws validation messages, don't worry, follow along and we'll get it working smoothly. First, open DocuSign on your desktop, go to Templates, and open the template that's showing an error. This is your workspace, so take a moment to let the editor fully load before making changes. Start by reviewing your recipient roles. Look at each role in the template and make sure it's set up the way you intend to use it. Roles are placeholders for the actual people who will sign. When you use the template, every role must have a name and email assigned, so make sure the roles make sense and that your team knows which details to fill in at send time. If a role is unnecessary, we'll remove it shortly. Next, click through the fields in the document. Text fields, signatures, dates, checkboxes, everything. And confirm each field is assigned to the correct recipient role. Fields must belong to a role, not to no one. If you spot a field assigned to the wrong person, switch it to the right role to prevent misrouted or blocked signing. While you're there, check all required fields. Required fields are great for enforcing completeness, but if any required field isn't placed correctly or isn't assigned to a recipient, the template will fail. Make sure every required field has a clear owner and sits on the page where it's supposed to be. If your template uses a routing sequence, review the signing order. Ensure the numbers reflect how you want the document to flow. An incorrect or duplicated order can stop the envelope from sending or leave someone waiting indefinitely. Now remove any roles you're not using. Extra roles, even if empty, can trigger validation errors. Clean up the list so only the needed roles remain. After making these adjustments, click Save and Close. This commits your changes and refreshes the template's validation. Next, test the template. Use it to send a test envelope and confirm it sends, opens, and routes correctly. If anything still looks off, return to the editor and adjust. If errors persist after all this, recreate the template from scratch. Upload the document again, rebuild the fields, and re-add only the roles you need. Corrupted or outdated templates can carry hidden issues, and a fresh build often solves them. By the way, I've placed a link to the DocuSign website at the very top of the description so you can log in or learn more if you need it. That's how to fix DocuSign template errors. Thanks for watching.